This channel pulled in more than 200,000 subscribers with 123 videos. The videos are performing great, and based on estimates, the channel is making serious money from ad revenue alone. And here is another one, and this one too. All these channels are earning thousands of dollars every single month. And this is not an isolated case. There are multiple comic book channels just like this, started revenue, uploaded only 100 of videos and still managed to explode in views and subscribers. Clearly something is working here. So the niche is comic book storytelling. That means explained stories, dark lore, alternate universe, villain psychology and what if scenarios. Content that feels dramatic, mysterious and addictive. The kind of videos people click on at night and end up watching till the end. But you think creating this type of contents are not very easy, right? Yes, you are right, but today I'm going to show you how you can start a similar comic book story YouTube channel, and I will show you easy step-by-step process how you can make videos for your channel. And we will use Vexub.com for making such videos. Let's break it down. First, open Vexub and select text to video option. Then click on go to step 2. Now you can create both horizontal and vertical contents. Let's choose the vertical format and click on go to step 3. You will see an option to add an animated narrator, but since the goal is a fully faceless channel, we simply skip that step. Just pick a voice that matches the mood of your content, calm, cinematic or dramatic, and click on go to step 4. At this point, Vexub takes your video ideas and instantly turn it into a complete script. But we'll use ChatGPT to generate ideas and ask ChatGPT to make a nice script regarding this using this prompt. All the prompts will be in the description. You can check it out. Now take the script and paste it here in Vexub and click on go to step 5. Now it's time to shape the visuals. Vexub offers multiple visual styles, and this is where you can experiment and develop a significant signature look for your channel. Now as we are creating comic book stories, let's select comic style. But there is also a customization option that lets you define a consistent visual theme, and then click on start generation. In a few moments your video comes to life, and then let's play it.
What if the people you call heroes are actually the real villains? What if the greatest defenders of...
After the video is generated, you can preview everything from start to finish. If something doesn't feel right, you can easily replace by specific visuals, regenerate individual scenes, or even blend in stock footage so the visuals perfectly match with the narration. When everything looks clean and flows smoothly, export the video. And just like that, you have a fully finished faceless comic style video ready to upload.
What if the people you call heroes are actually the real villains? What if the greatest defenders of Earth have done things so dark, so cruel?
So if you are planning to build a faceless YouTube channel like this, Vexub makes the full process fast, simple and repeatable. You can try it out using the free credits, and if it fits your workflow, choose one of their subscription plans. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will be happy to help. I will see you in the next video.